Hello children, once again all are welcome to online CS classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today, let's continue the same lesson, cyber safety and measures. Our first topic is eavesdropping. See children, do you ever find that when you are talking to someone else, another person is secretly trying to listen to your talks? What that person is doing is called eavesdropping. Okay, have you ever tried to secretly listen to a conversation between two teachers regarding your class? If it is yes, then what you have done is eavesdropping. Okay, then in context of network security, eavesdropping refers to unauthorized access to another person's or organization's data while the data is on its way on the network. Okay, this may be done in a number of ways. First one, by setting up parallel telephone lines or by installing some software or spyware in the target computer or by installing some receiver which captures the data while on its way. Okay. Then next one, phishing. Phishing is criminally fraudulent process of attempting to acquire sensitive information such as username, password, credit card information, CVV number, etc. In phishing, an imposter uses an authentic looking email or website to trick recipients into giving out sensitive personal information. For example, an email asking to update your bank details by clicking on a link, or an email regarding lucky winner of some amount. Okay, you may accept the same type of message like text message in your mobile phone. Okay, this number got a lucky reward. Okay, like that, or a reward of 1 lakh rupees. Okay, like that you may get this type of message. Okay, all these are example for phishing. Then the solution to virus, adware and spyware. See here, this one is active protection and this column is preventive measures. Then first one, use antivirus and anti-spyware software, which are the active protection that we can set first. Then scan all your system for virus. Then disconnect infected system immediately from your network. Okay. Then restore the infected system from clean backup. Then notify your activities vendors so it can ensure its signature database is up to date. Okay, then download updates regularly, run request full system scan. Okay, you have to download updates regularly and also run frequent full system scan. Okay, then preventive measures. Keep your system up to date. Use caution when downloading files on the internet because all the sites are not trusted one. Okay, be careful with email. Maybe some emails contain viruses. Okay, don't download or open unsolicited email attachment. Okay, don't click on link in email. Rather, type the URL on address bar. Check for security alert. Okay, see children, do you get this point? Don't click on link in email, rather type the URL on address bar. That means when you get an email with some link, so you don't click on that link. You can just type that link in the address bar. Okay, then you can check the content of that link. Next one, check for security alert. Then disable running of script and cookies. Then disconnect from the internet when you are away. Okay, then the last one, disable cookie if possible. These are the different methods to prevent from this virus, adware and spyware. Okay, next one, ethical issues. There are various ethical issues involved with usage and availability of information. Okay, main points are intellectual property rights, plagiarism, digital rights management, and last one is licensing. Okay, so let's learn one by one. First one, intellectual property rights. Intellectual property is the product of the human intellect including creativity concepts, inventions, industrial models, trademarks, songs, literature, symbols, names, brands, etc. Okay, intellectual property rights do not differ from other property rights, just like other property rights. Okay, they allow the owner to completely benefit from his or her product, which was initially an idea that developed and crystallized. They also entitle him or her to prevent others from using, dealing, or tampering with his or her product without prior permission from him or her. Okay, the last one, he or she can in fact legally sue them and force them to stop and compensate for any damages. Okay, children. So, in this intellectual property, it is just like other property. We have the full rights on our, which one, our property. Okay, no others can steal the property. No others can steal the rights of our property. Okay. Next one, plagiarism. Plagiarism refers to using some other person's ideas and information without acknowledging that specific person as the source. Similar to all other forms of theft, plagiarism also has many disadvantages associated with it. Okay, so once again, plagiarism means using some other person's ideas and information without acknowledging that specific person as the source. Okay, that means when someone created something by using their own ideas, okay, then after doing everything, some others copying everything from him and says that these all things are done by him only. Okay, then it is an example for plagiarism. Okay, it means you are actually not giving credit to the original creator whose work you are using or copying. Okay, after copying everything, you didn't give any credit to the original creator, then it is an example for plagiarism. Okay, it can be classified as accidental or unintentional, or deliberate or intentional. Okay, it may be accidental or deliberately. Okay. Then digital rights management. Digital property include data, information, internet account, files. Okay, files include word processors, spreadsheet, etc. Stored in computer, online or any electronic storage. Generally, the person who has created the digital property owns it, right? So, the owner can decide who can use this in which form by making payment or giving credit it other form. Okay, but other than this, there are many other digital property threats. Okay, see, threats to digitalize. There are many tools available by which we can crack the unlicensed software to registered software by generating product key using keygen software or other tools. Okay, the hackers may get the actual source code of your digital work and modify it and replace it with their name. Okay, we can protect this kind of threat by means of anti-tamper software. Okay, anti-tamper software which prevent reverse engineering, or by adding legal clause in the form of term of service, or by limiting the sharing of code or only to authorized persons or organizations. Okay, children. Next one, licensing. A license is an official permission or permit to do, use or own something. Okay, a license can be granted by a party to another party as an element of an agreement between those parties. Okay, it's an agreement between two parties. There are various types of license in terms of digital elements. Okay, the main types are Creative Commons, GPL, Apache, copyleft, etc. First one, Creative Commons license. A Creative Commons license or CC is one of several public copyright licenses that enable the free distribution of an copyright work. Okay, a CC license is used when an author wants to give other people the right to share. Okay, a CC license is used when an author wants to give other people the right to share, use and build upon a work that they have created. Okay, that means the author created. Okay, CC provides an author flexibility. For example, they might choose to allow only non-commercial uses of a given work. And also it protects the people who uses or redistribute an author's work from concerns of copyright infringement as long as they abide by the conditions that are specified in the license by which the author distributes the work. Okay, so this one is the one of the most important several public copyright license. Okay, next one, General Public License. Okay, GNU, General Public License, GNU GPL or simply GPL is a widely used free software license which guarantees an user the freedom to run, study, share and modify the software. This GPS allows the users to copy the software, distribute the software, charge a fee to distribute and also modification of software. Okay. Next one, Apache license. It is written by Apache Software Foundation, ASF. It allows user to use the software for any purpose, modify, redistribute the software under the term of license without concern for royalties. Apache license offers rights once guaranteed can be continued forever. Okay, perpetual. Next one, rights are worldwide. Okay, third point, rights are guaranteed for no fee or royalty. It is non-exclusive, that is, license can be given to multiple users. Okay, it is non-exclusive. Then the last point is rights once give cannot be revoked. Okay, once the rights give, then that cannot be revoked. So these are the different types of Apache, different types of licenses. Okay, so Apache license is written by Apache Software Foundation. Okay, children. So now I believe these topics is very clear to you. All are very simple topic and all are theory topics. Okay, you have to study all the definitions. Okay, see you again with another topic. Till then, bye. Thank you.